Hey, buddy, did y'all hit it?
No, it fell over. Sitting in the dirt right there.
I fell again? They called those cells on the feet. I saw them like $20.
See it? You're just a little high.
That was it.
I never heard him. He said put your ears back on.
My turn.
You missed.
I breathe.
You're back in the game.
There's 3 of them over there for him. 3 of them.
Yeah. There's one. It looks like a flag. One to the right of the flag.
Still missing. And double shoot that bad boy. I wanted to. You shot him? On there? Yeah, just pull one.
You gotta put the magazine in.
What's the magazine? Okay. Piece of cake. I know how to do that. I don't know where this goes.
Okay. See how the bullets face forward?
Yeah, but how you put it on there?
You just stick it in there. Just slam it in there.
Okay.
Slam it in.
I'm scared. What if I break it?
There you go. You hear it snap?
Uh-huh.
Now you have to load one in the chamber. So see how that moves? Put your finger on there and pull this all the way back. Pull it back hard. Harder. Alright, let it go. Alright, now here, it's on safe. You push that down.
How? Oh, okay.
Now it's on fire. Now you are set.
I'm on fire.
Show off!
Nice, nice, nice.
Don't stop.
I'm scared. Okay.
There's some more in there.
There's still some more? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It ain't done.
Oh, that's all. Try to shoot the bullies in.
You ready to go spend some money?
Yeah. He's been wanting to. He's been wanting to get into it, and I was like,
Like that?
Did you?